Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Vanguard without updating. To begin, the simplest method is to completely disconnect your gaming device from the internet. Whether you are on a console or a personal computer, ensure your network connection is disabled. Then, launch the game. This action will typically bypass any automatic update prompts, allowing you to access the game's installed content immediately. This approach is perfect for enjoying single-player campaigns or local multiplayer modes, without interruption from new patches. Updates are a regular part of modern gaming, and they serve several important purposes. Developers frequently release patches to fix bugs, improve overall game performance, and enhance stability. These updates also often introduce exciting new content, such as additional maps, weapons, or game modes, keeping the experience fresh. Furthermore, online multiplayer functionality almost always requires players to be on the very latest version for compatibility and fair play, ensuring everyone has the same game experience. While playing offline without updates offers immediate access, it does come with certain limitations. You will be unable to participate in any online multiplayer matches, missing out on competitive play with friends or other players. New seasonal content, special events, and any recently added features will also be inaccessible. Crucially, you will not benefit from important bug fixes or performance enhancements that improve the game's stability and overall experience, potentially encountering older issues that have since been resolved. When you are ready to experience everything Call of Duty Vanguard has to offer, reconnecting and updating is straightforward. Simply re-establish your internet connection on your console or personal computer. The game or platform will then prompt you to download and install any pending updates. Be prepared for these downloads to be quite large, often several gigabytes, so ensure you have a stable internet connection and sufficient time. Once the updates are fully installed, restart the game to gain access to all the latest content and online features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.